I'm Rhonda Porter of New American Funding.
And I'm Matt Plewin with Windermere Real Estate, and we're here on our second video series to talk about ADUs.
That's right, accessory dwelling units. This time we're going to talk about the different styles. I mean, there's different formats of an ADU.
There sure are, and there's just a lot of options out there available to the consumer now, and they're becoming more and more.
You know, ADUs come in many different styles and shapes, and they can suit different needs depending on what you're looking for, how much privacy you want, or how you're going to be using the ADU.
Yep.
And you have this great graphic here.
Yep. And what makes the most sense for your property also put on these 6 different sort of types of ADUs. Of course, you've got your detached on the first upper left, and you've got your attached, which can be an existing wing of the house that you convert or you add it on. Then you've got a converted upper level. Then on the lower left, you've got an interior lower level, like a basement, that you finish or convert above the garage that's attached, or a complete garage conversion on detached or otherwise.
Yeah, it's all going to depend again on what your personal need is, and also what your property can, what you need with the type of property that you currently have or that you look to buy to create your ADU.
Yep. So why don't we talk about some different floor plans and some different options? What can people do? What's available out there? There seems to be so much now on the market.
It's amazing. In some places that you go to, depending on where you live or where you're looking at having an ADU, some cities already have plans that have been approved. So to make the permitting process much easier.
Absolutely. And certainly you can always spend a lot of money by building your own and having a builder come in and build you something from the ground up, or you can order a kit online that's already sort of built, but is delivered to you like you hire a contractor, or if you're handy, do it yourself with some help and put the kit together, such as from Home Depot. They have a varying level of price categories as well. But there's just so many options available now.
Amazon even has them too.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
I didn't know that.
I don't know if they have any on special for Prime Day, but they do have ADUs as well.
Well, I would expect pricing to get more competitive then on that, so that's good.
Yeah.